Hello everyone, George Gillis Jr. here. I'm sitting on my front porch this afternoon doing nothing but chilling and enjoying the sunlight here in how warm it is here in Texas, in Houston. Well, I wanted to talk to you today about on video, this short little video that I'm going to shoot, is that I'm going to show you something that I started doing with me and my team members and my sponsor in a make money at home deal. It's a 25tolife.com, and this is a cash gifting program, one of the newest programs that's out there with 4 levels in it, starting at a one-time $35 to turn into $4,000 at the level 4 and keep that $4,000, and the system will automatically put you back in at level 1. Now, like I say, cash gifting, we're blessing folks because it's peer-to-peer members in this cycler. When the system recycles and you get your referrals, that's what make it quicker. Now, I'm telling you right now, you're going to have referrals to make the system work for you. Get people interested that want to take a chance, that want to join a program that's legitimately working. And I'm not kidding you, it's working. I just got started. I paid my $35, and I've got 3 people that right now I'm going to be in line to receive my first 4 $25 payments in the system. Now, my sponsor has put together an action-taking video where he got real proof that the system is working. And I just wanted to let you know that when you see this video, there will be a button that you can go to. We want to take you to this video, and we want you to watch the entire video on this cash gifting program with $25tolife.com. This system is working. Tens of thousands. I've saw 275 people on his team already, and he started back in, I think, June of 2020. And look, it's almost June. A year later, he got $275. He made over $6,000, and he studied reinvested. A simple little gifting program that'll put money in your pocket, you know, blessing somebody else. You give a gift, you get a gift. You give a gift, you get a gift. So, $25 plus a $10 technology fee is a one-time $35 to get started. Now, I want you to go to this video, what my sponsor created, on my page that'll have my link in it. And when you decide that you want to join, you can join our team through our link, through my link. And that way you can get signed up, you pay your $35, and then boom, we start working to get people on the team under you that will put you in line to receive gifts and send gifts. All you have to do is get started today. We love you so much, and that we hope that you get involved with us and everything, and then we'll see you on the inside soon.